Alright, what's good, my people? We back with another motherfucking video. Hold on, let me stop swearing. So I got some good news for y'all. Something new, something crazy. I haven't posted anything on YouTube. If you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, I'm sure you already seen it. But you know, hey, if you don't follow me on there, get to it, because you know I got a lot of behind the scenes stuff on there. So we got a little HQ going for a little motion monkey racing team. You know, we hanging out and shit. So it's like basically a little garage that we just building up with the boys, and we just gonna all work on the cars there and stuff and just hang out. You know, that's gonna be a little spot for where we do everything. Right now, I gotta work on my mom's car. She has having issues with the plugs that basically go into the coil packs. They're all pretty like messed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and rebuild those over there at HQ, and then you guys are gonna see HQ. You know, we over there building it. I haven't showed. Okay, so yeah. Anyways, we're just gonna go ahead over there, hang out with the guys. Nothing crazy, you know, just hanging out, working on the cars. See y'all there. We're pulling up to HQ. Look at all the boys over there doing boy things.
Everybody, I think, but my siblings.
So I think, yo, what is he doing to his car again? What are you doing to your car, bro?
I'm taking off the Swifts.
And putting them back on the BC springs.
Cause low is gay.
Yeah, because if you look under my car,
Low is
bro,
gay.
Yeah, we don't like being
His
low.
gas
Bottom
tanks
of
got
that shit.
His gas tanks got scratches.
Does it?
Yeah,
Where?
gas tanks. If you look at anything, gas tanks got.
Oh!
And then you see this too.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the fuel lines.
That's not safe there. $7 disappeared from your account.
Yes, bro.
Damn.
If they get 2 liters red cellar plus some rice, she'll throw bread.
Yeah.
And this is HQ. Let's see. You know, it's kind of some, you know, in the works. We got a little TV right there. Playing video games. And then the guys, and then the little hoop.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah.
With ice
The
and
Oculus.
Are you giving an Oculus here?
Wow, handsome ass nigga. All right, little update.
Taking out the faces off the 3-piece Riverside. Sand, polish soon, so I can be a big boy.
Okay. What's up, bro? Yeah, bro, that's a new Lambo over there. And now we're gonna eat snacks. We went to the old Publix.
The Bevs here. The LeBev.
Bro, we need to get a fridge. So we need a fridge.
Out here eating good. Eating good noodles.
Everybody chilling.
Keep hitting that.
I had to take apart 3-piece wheels with Motion Monkey Racing Team.
Arrow on the lip.
Wait a minute.
Weld.
Hold on now.
Okay, back up. These niggas finna go flying. Bro, somebody's gonna get hit in the...
You're gonna need to put hell into
niggas' houses, bro.
Look at a battle ram.
There's a. Now jump on it. Don't hit though.
This is so sketchy, bro.
These Riverside's gonna be warped, bro. Alright, that's good. That's good. That sounds too much better.
All right, we're gonna go see if the La Charger can swing. What did you do? Hold on, you gotta tell these niggas what you did.
I'm pulling out my ABS fuses and
Uh-huh.
traction control.
Yes.
It's gonna eliminate my front lock when I spin.
Yeah.
No.
Let me drive there, Ethan.
Ah, you can drive that.
Where we going?
Yeah, where are we going?
Are we all going? Are you bringing your car?
Yeah. Oh, we're sliding?
Are you gonna drift?
Yeah. I have a drift car.
Oh my God, we're drifting!
I'm a superstar, yeah, I live my life like a move. I drive for the quest, but the bitch, yeah. She put me there, cause she can't afford it. So I could've been a
We are currently at the secret location. Oh! E-Boss gonna go crazy. He gonna get some seat time. That boy needs some seat time. Need to see that boy doing Charger things. Charger doing Charger things. We're having technical difficulties. Technical difficulties.
The fucking lights just stay flashing.
Smells like burnt
Still?
rollers.
Yeah.
Did you do it on the tuner?
Nah, I took the fucking fuses out, nigga.
What about the tuner?
The tuner is gonna be the same shit like this.
Yo, Carlos, what you doing, young nigga?
I'm just living, dog.
Do a little dance. Hey, 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 hey. What the fuck? No, what the fuck?
Hey, Swin, I don't think that big is always.
Oh!
Why are so many
Do a little dance, do a little dance, do a little dance, do a little dance. Hey, 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 hey. Ulche, 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 ulche.
Wait.
Paul, you scared? Oh my God. What's going on with you guys?
My car did it.
I saw.
That shit sucked. That shit was ass.
I think it's something else. I think you should put, I don't know.
I'm like gripping up.
Why?
Yeah, I know.
Like hella.
Hey, that guy's mad. That guy's mad over there. Y'all see him?
He's far away. He's over the river.
Is it fucking river?
Yeah, bro. This shit's like not sliding like at all.
Fuck you, liberal sissy boy.
Shut the fuck up. What's going on, bro?
Bro, that shit was not fucking like sliding, bro.
Are you? Okay, he kind of getting it. Oh shit. Bro, the nigga almost ate this curb right here, bruh.
Nah, he almost ate me like a sissy boy.
Yeah, he almost ate you like a little sissy boy.
Oh shit!
I almost died.
I didn't even flinch, man. I'm not a fucking sissy boy.
Nah, fuck you.
Hey, try going the right way, yeah. This ground is grippy as fuck.
Think so?
Bro, you've seen him slide.
This car is so hard to fucking slide. Yeah. It's only slides with like with tires that have like no grip. Let me check. Toss me the keys. I'll show you that shit not grippy, nigga. Okay, we're done, guys. We're done.
Bro, you stopped right on time, bro. Okay. Fuck that curve.
Why body charger?
That bitch ate that shit!
Don't drift.
Curbs aren't our friends.
What did we learn today?
Curbs are not cool.
Curbs are not cool.
I love curbs.
Curbs do not like Batmobile, basically.
I love curbs. Curbs are my favorite.
Oh fuck, my angle's bad. Never mind.
We're back, guys.
You got it on video?
Hell yeah.
Oh, hell yeah, bro.
Everything
This is my job now. Did y'all get the face off?
Yeah.
All right, sure. Run me down. What we got?
Alright, we started off 400, wasn't doing shit, stepped down to 180.
That's not how you got that.
Oh,
Face off, but okay.
wood block, 2 wood blocks.
That boy going in.
2 wood blocks and hammering a shit ton. But start at 180, getting this shit smooth. Trying to get a lot of these scratches out.
Y'all feel that? Yeah, shit
Going
feel
up,
crazy.
polish. Then I'm gonna do a deep clean on the lips because this is over 30 years old, probably 20 years old.
Who got a joint with you?
We're locked in.
He's been like this for 3 hours.
Has he? Oh yeah.
New rubbers in the front.
New rubber.
We're gonna go try that bitch again.
Alright, say less. So what happened is this motherfucker got no grip in the front and all the grip in the world in the rear. And yeah, that doesn't work with drifting. That don't work with drifting. But okay. Once we get some new fronts, then we'll try it again.
Day 2.
Day 2 of HQ. Today we're gonna go get a fridge and finish working on my mom's stupid VW. And E-Boss just pulled up. Big boy chopping. Man, cool ass. We gotta go get the fridge. My chanclas are dirty.
Six and a half hours later.
Finally back. Got the fridge.
Big fridge
Got
shit.
the snacks.
We stepping up our game. I'm gonna polish the fridge next.
Snacks. Waters. Bubble car. Other bubble car. White guy. Corvette. We're gonna be out. This is it. We don't have anything else, right, guys?
Nope,
This is it.
We got the fridge, we got the water bottles, we got some, what is it, popsicles.
All right, we out. See y'all niggas
Bye.
in another video.
Bye.
Yo, close that bit out, bro. We done.
Bye.
I got motion, not a dime, she a quarter, she a token. Turned up, see the bitch having motion. Money talking, a ride like it's supposed to be. I got motion. She wanna pop it, she